Today we are going to learn some breakfast in Tamil Nadu. So when you go the next time to a restaurant and you see something in the menu, you know what you're going to order. Let's go to the lesson now. All the dishes that we are going to see now, you can also get them in the evening in the restaurants, and they are usually called as evening tiffins. I'm trying to add some nice links to that if you eat them anywhere and if you're impressed with the taste, and then if you want to do it, there's a link below that you can find. Those are all external links. That's no way connected to me, but highly recommended. To make a context, let's assume that Murugan is going to visit Vasanthi and Vasanthi has invited Murugan for breakfast. So the items that we are going to see now is very common breakfast in Tamil Nadu, which you'll also find in the restaurant menu. So Vasanthi is asking Murugan, what shall we eat in the morning? And there is no particular word for breakfast in Tamil. People do not say, so there's nothing like breakfast. Instead, what shall we eat in the morning or the morning food? காலையில என்ன சாப்பிடலாம்? What shall we eat in the morning? காலையில meaning in the morning. என்ன what? சாப்பிடலாம் we shall eat. சாப்பிடலாம். காலையில என்ன சாப்பிடலாம்? If you're watching my video for the first time, please have a look at video number 55, which can be a good guide for you to navigate throughout my channel with very useful tips. Tiffin is a very commonly used word, though it is an English word, it's a very common word in Tamil, and it is used especially for very light meal. All that we are going to see now can be classified as tiffin. When you especially go to restaurants, you'll often see in the board it's written as tiffin ready. What they mean is the light meal is ready. It's not the afternoon full meal. Instead, what they mean is light snacks or easy food. And you can ask, tiffin enna irukku? What do you have as a light meal? So let's go back to the context now. Murugan is asking, enna irukku? What is there? What is available? Enna irukku? என்ன இருக்கு? To which Vasanthi says, what do you want? Tell me, it be ready now. என்ன வேணும் சொல்லு, இப்ப இதோ ஆயிடும். என்ன வேணும் சொல்லு, இப்போ இதோ ஆயிடும். என்ன வேணும், what do you want? சொல்லு means tell me. இப்ப இதோ ஆயிடும், it be ready right now. இப்ப இதோ ஆயிடும். என்ன வேணும் சொல்லு, இப்ப இதோ ஆயிடும். Vasanthi is now asking, do you like idli dosa? Idli dosa. Pudikuma? Idli dosa. It's like a couplet word. It is similar to, do you want coffee or tea? Something like that. Do you like idli dosa? Idli dosa. These two are very popular South Indian breakfast. Idli dosa. Pudikuma, do you like? Idli is one of the most famous and popular South Indian breakfast. It is made of rice and lentils, so it is a very safe one to eat. It is not fried, and even children are fed with idlis. So it's considered one of the most healthiest breakfast, very light to the stomach. Dosa, as you can see there, is a very light pancake-like dish, but it's much thinner, slightly crispier, and it's made from the same batter that we use for preparing idli. So it's equally healthy, but with a dash of oil. Or shall I get idiyappam from the hotel? இல்ல hotel போய் இடியாப்பம் வாங்கிட்டு வரவா? இல்ல hotel போய் இடியாப்பம் வாங்கிட்டு வரவா? Idiyappam is made out of rice. It resembles a noodle but very white in color, and it is usually very soft and fluffy, steamed one like rice, and it is healthy for children as well. இல்ல hotel போய் இடியாப்பம் வாங்கிட்டு வரவா இல்லை ஹோட்டல் போய் இடியாப்பம் வாங்கிட்டு வரவா hotel poi. As I have told earlier in another lesson, hotel means restaurant. People don't, you don't have to confuse that. We are not talking about a place where we are going to stay. Instead, we are particularly meaning a small eatery or a restaurant. Or idli vada, it'll be crispy and you like it. அப்படி இல்லை இட்லி வடை வடை மொறு மொறுன்னு இருக்கும் உனக்கு கண்டிப்பாக பிடிக்கும் அப்படி இல்லை ஆர் அதர்வைஸ் இட்லி வடை வடை மொறு மொறுன்னு இருக்கும் வடை வில் பி கிறிஸ்பி யூ கேன் ஈவன் ஆஸ்க் இன் அ ரெஸ்டாரண்ட் கொஞ்சம் மொறு மொறுன்னு கொண்டு வாங்க மீனிங் பிரிங் இட் கிறிஸ்பி மொறு மொறுன்னு உனக்கு கண்டிப்பாக பிடிக்கும் யூ வில் சர்ட்லி லைக் இட் உனக்கு கண்டிப்பாக பிடிக்கும் அப்படி இல்லை இட்லி வடை வடை மொறு மொறுன்னு இருக்கும் உனக்கு கண்டிப்பாக பிடிக்கும் So again, we are going to see vada. Vada is a very tasty South Indian dish. It is made out of lentils and it's a very crispy on the outside and soft on the inside, and it goes well with sambar and chutney. So you can order vada. So Murugan is asking, why all the trouble? அதெல்லாம் எதுக்கு சிரமம்? That Murugan feels a little hesitant to trouble Vasanti. He's asking, why all the trouble? அதெல்லாம் எதுக்கு சிரமம்? அதெல்லாம் all that எதுக்கு சிரமம்? அதெல்லாம் எதுக்கு சிரமம்? Let us eat whatever is available. It's okay. இருக்கிறத சாப்பிடலாம் பரவாயில்ல இருக்கிறத சாப்பிடலாம் பரவாயில்ல இருக்கிறத whatever is available சாப்பிடலாம் let us eat பரவாயில்ல it is okay. I have already uploaded several short videos all using very simple methods and pictures. You'll find them in green, blue and purple colors. The green ones are very short simple phrases and the blue ones are simple conversation and the purple ones are simple grammar using phrases. To which Vasanti says, oh, no trouble at all. சிரமம் எல்லாம் ஒன்றும் இல்லை. No trouble at all. See, she's very happy that Murugan has come to her house. So he says, no trouble at all. சிரமம் எல்லாம் trouble and all. ஒன்றும் இல்லை. Just nothing. There's no trouble at all. சிரமம் எல்லாம் ஒன்றும் இல்லை. Or will you have upama? Vasanti is trying to please Murugan as much as possible, probably because Murugan has come after a long time and she really wants to give him something nice to eat. So she's not unrelenting. She says, do you want upama? Ilana upama சாப்பிட்றியா? Ilana otherwise upama சாப்பிட்றியா? Upama சாப்பிட்றியா? Will you eat? Upama is a very savory dish and it can be very quickly made in a matter of 5 minutes, and it's made out of semolina, which is also a finely broken wheat. Anything is okay. எது வேணா பரவாயில்ல எது வேணா பரவாயில்ல எது வேணா meaning whatever or just anything பரவாயில்ல it is okay, no problem, it's just no problem, anything is fine, that's what he says. Is that so? Abdiya. And here the abdiya doesn't mean it is not a wondering. It's not, is that so? It's, oh, really? You're okay with just anything? So it's more of, okay, a mirthless, very, oh, really? You're fine with everything. You're fine with just anything. Abdiya. Abdiya. That's the intonation here. But still, she's not ready to give up. She really wants to feed him and she asks for sweet. Shall I ask for some kesari to be done? தித்திப்புக்கு கொஞ்சம் கேசரி செய்ய சொல்லவா? தித்திப்புக்கு கொஞ்சம் கேசரி செய்ய சொல்லவா? தித்திப்புக்கு meaning for sweet. கொஞ்சம் கேசரி, some கேசரி. செய்ய சொல்லவா? Shall I get it prepared? Kesari is a very popular dish and you'll get them in the morning and you'll also get them in the evening in the restaurants. It's made out of broken wheat. To which Murugan now says, "Oh, that's my favorite." This is the first time he is showing his enthusiasm. அது எனக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிச்சது. அது எனக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிச்சது. அது எனக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிச்சது. Then for idli, chutney or sambar. So she's preparing idli, so she wants, do you want chutney or sambar? அப்புறம் இட்லிக்கு meaning. Then for idli, chutneya, chutney, illa sambara, or sambar, chutney or sambar, chutneya, illa sambara. Chutney and sambar are side dishes for many dishes. So chutney can be prepared out of coconut. You also get out of tomatoes or cilantro, sometimes with certain leaves. So chutney is a very common word. What you prepare with, you add it to it, like onion chutney or tomato chutney or coconut chutney or coriander chutney. So idli, dosa is the main dish, can be dipped into chutney. What we see in white color there is the coconut chutney, and the one next to that is the sambar. It is made out of lentils. It resembles more of a soup, but it is also used for a slightly differently prepared version is used for rice, and it's also used for dosa, idli, etc. Vasanti says, now that she has served so much for him, she says, well, when you come the next time, you can have pongal. Pongal. அடுத்த தடவை next time வரும்போது when you come பொங்கல் சாப்பிடலாம். Let us eat பொங்கல். அடுத்த தடவை வரும்போது பொங்கல் சாப்பிடலாம். When you come the next time, let us eat பொங்கல். You're not giving us even a little work to do. எங்களுக்கு what she means is probably she means herself and her mother. Together they are preparing for Murugan, and she says, you're not giving us even a little work to do. எங்களுக்கு to us சின்ன வேலை கூட even a small work கொடுக்க மாட்ற, you're not giving. எங்களுக்கு சின்ன வேலை கூட கொடுக்க மாட்ற. பொங்கல், it's a dish made out of rice with lentils and cooked together in water with a few peppercorns and spicy leaves, and it resembles more of a thick porridge. So pongal. But if you want to be more specific, it's better to ask when pongal, because there's also a sweet version of it which is called sakkara pongal. So pongal. Just your concern makes my stomach feel full. நீ கேட்குறதே சாப்பிட்ட மாதிரி திருப்தியா இருக்கு. நீ கேட்குறதே சாப்பிட்ட மாதிரி திருப்தியா இருக்கு. Just your concern makes my stomach feel full. நீ கேட்குறதே, even you're asking or your care, சாப்பிட்ட மாதிரி, like I have eaten. திருப்தியா இருக்கு. I feel very satisfactory. I feel so happy. I feel like I have eaten. Just the way you take care of me makes me feel my stomach full. That's what he says. நீ கேட்குறதே சாப்பிட்ட மாதிரி இருக்கு. திருப்தியா இருக்கு. I'll be making many more videos for you to learn. So if you have any suggestions or questions, please let me know. If you liked the video, please subscribe and like. All the best with your Tamil learning. Vanakkam, Varthakkal.